Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is BarkBox Day. Yes, we got BarkBox and I haven't shown it in a while, and part of it is just my time. I just run out of time, so I'm doing this a little bit differently. I am going to open this and then I'll re-put it all back together and take footage later as they are getting into the box. And I am going to share some footage of the past openings because I had a couple of Parson Russells here that helped us out, and of course they did a very good job. I want to share some of that footage, so this will be random footage at the end of the different puppies getting into a BarkBox. But this particular box is our January box, and let's find out what's in it. It runs $24.99 a month, and they send us items for our dog. And you can choose if it's a large dog or a small dog. They'll ask you your dog's name. And I think they have Rhodey down for mine because when I started this, Rhodey was a puppy. Rhodey's past now. He would be 17. So I've had this subscription a long time. But it looks like we're going to be in outer space. It says the Playlian. The Playlian. So this looks to be cute. Looky in there. Isn't that some cute doggy toys? I will tell you, they have just the best doggy toys. They're really durable. If your dogs tear up things real easy, they may not have such an easy time doing it with these. This here is our little space alien. Take me to your dog. He's already ready to get chewed up, I guess. And this says, behind the softness. So I guess it doesn't have a name, but it's going to squeak and rattle. And my dogs are just going to love that. And then we got us a flying saucer. Looks like a little ball on the inside. And then they can crunchy, crunchy, crunchy all around it. And they're going to love that. And it has a squeaker in it. So they're going to like that too. So these are very sturdy. I want you to see how well made they are. And you can get 3 toys, and it's $10 more a month if you want to get more toys. I get this. I've been getting this for so long. I've got lots of toys. I don't need extra. So I just get the regular box. We always get 2 snack bags and 1 chew. And this snack, we got the Swimmy Jerky Bars. And this is salmon recipe. And I want you to notice that it's chock full of USA salmon. It's chewy jerky. And there's no grains added. You can choose not to have grains added. You can choose how and what you want your dog to have, and I try to go the most healthiest route. We also are going to be getting some another package of salmon recipe. Normally they don't send us the exact same one, so I don't know if this is a mistake or not, but I can tell you my dogs will eat it, so I'm not going to complain about it. They like the salmon. And then we also got some pumpkin and honey recipe chew sticks. And they're kind of hard to see. They don't, with the white paper on there, you can't see them, but they're little bitty sticks. They're not overly big. They're just perfect for my small dogs, and they're going to love them. And then just so you can see the full page, this is our product card. And this just tells you all about it, and it shows you all the toys that you could have gotten, and I got 2 of those. But you could also order. If you want to order extra toys and you like one of these for your dog, they send you an email out in plenty of time to order extra. So you can do that too. But now this is going to be kind of like a 2-part video. That was my BarkBox. And that's what you get for $24.99, which I think is a good deal. And it comes once a month, and your puppy dogs always have snacks and toys. So it is a great value. And I'm just going to say, out of this, I just love the little alien. I think this is so adorably cute. I'm sure they're going to have a high old time playing with it. But now stay tuned for the footage. This is all I have for the BarkBox. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. Well, it's getting time for BarkBox. They're starting to be king of the mountain. And they're slowly coming over here and checking it out. They've even been chewing on it a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So we'll see how they do. We'll see how they do. They're making some progress. got a multi-poo. Got a couple of multi-poos. And there's little Zeus. Yeah, he's still with us. Yeah, you are. You are. You're not going to get into the box, are you? There you are. He comes in for appearance and then leaves. These guys are steady at it. Yeah, Miss Susie wants to be in the picture. Check out. So we have the Magic, and his little buddy there is our little Parson Russell. She's out of Tula and Charlie, and she's a beauty. She's going to be living down in Victoria, Texas. Yeah. Oh, well, they got off their BarkBox. They are chewing it up. They have made a little more progress since she's seen the video. They're getting close to getting it opened up. Yes, they are. Hello there, cutie pie. How are you doing? Yeah, how are you doing? I'll be back. Are you making progress? Look at this little tiny boy. His name's Riverman. He's like 12 or 11 ounces. Little cheepoos they are. That's right, little cheepoos. Yeah, the little females are available. Yeah, that's you, right? Okay, well, he's still working at it. We'll come back and check. For sure wants in that box. Yep. You know there's goodies in there, don't you? Just concentrating on it. Looks like Maggie's got it. Get it, Maggie, get it. Get it, Maggie, get it. Uh-oh. Are you going to get it, Dawson? Who's going to get it? Who's going to get it? BarkBox. Oh, Maggie got it. BarkBox is over. This was a short one. They just made a little hole to get those toys out this time. They're off and playing. Y'all still playing with the BarkBox the next day? Yep, guys, this is next day. They still just want to chew on the BarkBox. It's their favorite pastime. Yeah, there's the little cheepoos. The little bitty babies. Yeah. They're actually 10 weeks old. They're just tiny. They have decided that they'll play with the toy and that they'll drag the product cart around. Yeah, they're just busy little beavers. Isn't that right? They're fascinated with the box.